A lot. Here we go. Stray Kids Jam MV. Now I still haven't checked out the 8 album yet. I should do like a first listen. Tell me in the comments down below if you would love to see a Stray Kids first listen or something of that kind. Probably put it on my Patreon, which you guys should follow, by the way. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. They came out with Jam. Let's get into this. Let's check this out. Without further ado, this video contains material attractive and sticky. Okay, I don't know what I'm getting myself into. What the hell? But let's go. This mouses that eating this. Oh. Okay. Hey. So they're making their own jams. To the thick baseline, bro, I saw it said booty shake. Get my mind out the gutter, Dre. Ugh. Okay, Felix. So loud. Getting trophies. Scared him. You said peanut butter jelly time? We know we never lose, get trophies now. Yeah, peanut butter. Who talk? What? Peanut butter jelly time? But we stick together. Peanut butter jelly time, but we stick together. Oh, I don't know how it goes. Hey, you got something right here. Let me just wanna. Ooh, whoa. God, did he say goddamn? No shot. Sticky jam. Oh, goddamn, not goddamn. Bro, I wish they said goddamn. But whoa, that just breakdown with their choreo went like that. Hey, let me just get that off you. Just get that off your lip. Looks like a kind of, sorry for stopping so much. I know people are gonna hate that, but it kind of looks like a horror film. Just like he found the killer. Woo! Ooh! Oh, that's like hard. Hey. Stick it up now. Put. Okay. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, that breakdown crazy too, man. Bro, the strawberry jam kind of reminds. I don't know why it reminds me of Blood. The way it just splatters on them. Dang, that pause though. Bro, they're making so many songs about different things that I can't. It's so unpredictable sometimes. Jam. Ooh. Hey. Look at my jam. Hey, listen. When I twerk, that's like me jamming. No. I got some jelly in my. Wait, where am I supposed to go into that? My booty move like jelly, cause the way I twerk. Okay. Especially if this man just tells me to dance, I'm gonna dance. You're welcome. And to those who didn't want to see that, too bad. Hey, jam. Ooh. Whoa. Oh shit, the shadow. Holy shit. Oh, bagel. Woo, okay, hon. Oh my God, Jonathan. Bro, this combination is always undefeated, bro. Oh God. Go hit him again. Woo! That tag team back and forth is so fire. Whoa, is this place haunted? Ooh. Hey, yo. Goddamn. Hey, hey. God damn. Okay, take over, sir. Still a lot of hand movements for sure. Ooh. Are we in the locker? What's happening? Ew. What? Damn. That's all I gotta say. Damn. I need to check out the album itself. If you see this, this is probably our first listen on my Patreon. I put it on my Patreon for free. All you gotta do is just become a free member. Or you can subscribe for $1 and support your boy. Be sure to check that out. And yeah, see you guys to the next one. Damn, that shit go hard. Jam?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.